Yeah, hi. Just going to do a little video in regard to infringements. And what a lot of people probably might think about infringements is that they may be a fine, but there's a lot of infringements that occur from people claiming to be law enforcement agencies. So this is just like a quick Google search, and you can sort of come up with this. And it's acquiescence. So I'll read it out to you. In law, acquiescence occurs when a person knowingly stands by without raising any objection to the infringement of his or her rights, while someone else knowingly without malice and forethought acts in a manner inconsistent with their rights. As a result, the acquiescence persons whose rights are infringed may lose the ability to make a legal claim against the infringer, or may be unable to obtain an injunction against continued infringements. The doctrine infers a form of permission that results from silence. So never be silent when you are arrested or when they're trying to make a claim against you for an infringement or a fine, whatever you want to call that. So never be silent. Or passiveness over an extended period of time. So just have a think about that. And you have a think about people, for example, when you have interactions with Victoria Police, number one shit talkers in this state, and commercial magistrates courts. So have a think about what you are doing when you have interactions with any of those people. Anyone claiming to be government. This is what they're relying on. So I would suggest the way to respond to this is a cease and desist notice. So you can Google cease and desist notices, and I will probably also do another video in regard to cease and desist notices, because I have sent cease and desist notices to the magistrate courts, to the Victoria Police. Cease and desist all unlawful activity, included but not limited to unlawful arrest, right of travel, right of unlimited contract, which has the right of unlimited not to contract, freedom of speech, the list goes on. It's probably a good idea that you learn your rights, because if you don't know your rights, they will be infringed upon. And if you put up with the infringements of rights over an extended period of time, according to this, you have no legal claim. Cheers.